Wouldn't it be great if you could find out how much can fit inside of a box before you even start packing the goods? Well, now you can. I am Ajay Aditya, and let me introduce you to a feature called Package Geometry that projects your boxes and items in 3D and helps you decipher the optimal arrangement and the number of boxes you need before you even create a package in Zoho Inventory. Whoa, but how does this work? Well, the system will now allow you to record your item dimensions and weight as and when you create new items. You can also edit existing ones to do the same. And whenever you generate a sales order for these items, you will be able to visualize the package geometry for all the items on it by accessing a special feature called Package Geometry, which is powered by Zia, our in-house AI. You are then required to enter the name, dimensions, and maximum holding weight for the physical boxes that you pack your items in. The system will use this data to render three-dimensional representations of your boxes as well as the items to show how much can be packed inside of each box. And you can create packages based on its suggestions. To begin, log into your Zoho Inventory account and click on the gear icon from the top right corner and select Preferences. Once you are in, navigate to Item Preferences, where you will have to select your preferred units of measurements for your item dimensions and weights, and then hit Save. Now we'll create a new item inside of Zoho Inventory and add its dimensions and weight to the database. To do so, click on the Quick Create button adjacent to Items on the sidebar. Specify an item name, SKU, and necessary information. Record its dimensions and weight under the appropriate fields. Specify its sales, purchase, and inventory tracking information before you hit Save. I have already created 2 more items that have dimensions and weights within this organization. So let's go ahead and quickly create a sales order using the Quick Create button on the sidebar. Add a customer and navigate to the item table, wherein we'll add 3 items of varying quantities. Now let's save this order and manually confirm it. Now you will find an option that reads Visualize your item placement within the boxes using Package Geometry somewhere on the sales order. Let's click on Package Geometry. For this demonstration, I'm going to add 2 different custom box types, one medium and one large, of dimensions 30 into 20 into 15 and 30 into 20 into 30, all in inches, and max carrying capacities of 60 pounds and 100 pounds respectively. Upon doing so, the system will tell me how much I can fit inside the 2 box types, while also telling me how much of each type I'll need. I can see them visually by just selecting one of the boxes and adding the items to it. I can also generate a summary by clicking on the View Summary option. Here, I'll be able to see my boxes, the quantity and weight inside of each box as well as their volume. If this works for me, then I can create a package from here by clicking on the Create Package button. That will take me to the regular package creation window, and once I'm ready, I can just save my choices. Alternatively, you can also create a package first and from the new package window access this feature by selecting the Evaluate Package Geometry option. And if you have items for which dimensions and weights are not pre-recorded, then you can enter them while configuring package geometry. Try package geometry for your business and let us know your thoughts on how this works for you. And as always, if you got questions or suggestions, email us at support@zoho-inventory.com.